Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Israel YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to use ChatGPT to study smarter and easier. Are you still reading 100 pages just to remember one thing? There is a smarter way now. So I will show you guys how to use ChatGPT to study faster and remember more. The first step to study using ChatGPT in an easier way is to ask ChatGPT to summarize the notes you are reading. To use ChatGPT to summarize the notes you are reading. In order to access the ChatGPT, input chat.openai.com and click on search. So wait for it to load. So now it has already loaded. So since it has loaded, let's navigate to search for notes that we can copy and ask ChatGPT to summarize for us. It has loaded now. So let's search for another topic. What topic can we search for? Okay, let's search for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Definition and notes. Let's search for photosynthesis. So we can copy out of the notes and paste it so ChatGPT can summarize it for us. So let's wait for it to load it. So guys, it has already loaded now. Check it on Wikipedia. Wikipedia is the best to check it. So this is it. So now guys, let's copy it. Starting from photosynthesis, a process that produces oxygen. Let's copy it down to here. So copy, we'll navigate back to ChatGPT, we paste it there. So once you paste the note, you come here, come to the top here, give it space and write. Summarize this in 5 simple bullet points for students preparing for exam. Depending on your exam, it can be IELTS, it can be JAMB. So click on this arrow for it to send. So you send it, it just looks like you are chatting with someone. So see it, as you can see it, here is a simplified 5 bullet summary for students preparing for exam. See, short, very short and easy to understand. As you can see guys, it's really working. And once you know this important point, it will really help in studying and remembering easier because it is short and well defined. So now let's move to the second step on how to create practice question for CBT. Whether you are preparing for JAMB, TOEFL, GRE or GMAT, all of which are CBT exams, mastering how to study smarter is the key. So now let me show you how to create practice question on any topic using ChatGPT. It is super easy. Just type this: give me 5 quiz question on parts of speech. Depending on what you need, you can click give me 5 quiz question on organic chemistry and you click on this arrow. Once you click on it, it will send you the question. You see, you can see it guys. So let's check one of them out. Which part of the speech is the word quickly in the sentence? She ran quickly to catch the bus. A noun, B verb, C adjective, D adverb. And we all know that quickly is adverb. So hope you understand it now. It gives you the room to learn easier and faster. So I hope you understand that now, how to generate quiz question on GPT. Let's move to step 3 on how to turn notes into flashcards. How to turn notes into flashcards. This is also a great way to memorize important facts fast. So what are we going to do? We will go and copy notes. Let's go and search for another topic. Let's search for organic chemistry. organic chemistry definition. So we've searched for organic chemistry definition. As you can see, it's Wikipedia. Just click on Wikipedia. So now we'll copy it. Organic chemistry, I can see the notes. Copy it. Let's stop here. Copy. So now we'll navigate back to ChatGPT. We'll ask anything. We'll now paste what we copied earlier. Let's paste what we copied earlier. So this is what we copied: organic chemistry. Create 5 flashcards for the topic organic chemistry and add questions and answers. So doesn't spend more than 3 seconds to answer your question. As you can see, flashcard 1, flashcard 2, flashcard 3, flashcard 4, flashcard 5. So it's making it easier for you guys to learn. It's making it easier. What is organic chemistry? Even answer it. Organic chemistry is the study of structure, properties, and reaction of organic compound and material that contain carbon atoms. You see, very easy and simple. So now we'll be moving to step 4 on how to ask ChatGPT to explain tough topics like 10 years old. What I'm trying to explain is that ChatGPT will explain to you in the form of 10-year-old person. So what are we going to do? What topic is hard for you? Try it. So what I will do is I will use photosynthesis again. Explain photosynthesis like I am 10 years old. Click on this arrow and wait for it to load. It has already explained it like a 10 years old. Photosynthesis is how plants make their own food using sunlight. You see? And if you want it in a higher level, just ask ChatGPT to make it like 20 years old, 25 years old, and it will make it very complex. If you even want diagram, it will give it to you. So if you don't understand how I'm doing all this, you watch the video and try it, you will understand better. So now I'll be moving to the last step on how to study smarter with ChatGPT, which is step 5. It will be on how to generate monthly study plan for effective reading. So type generate a realistic 1 month study timetable for JAMB 2026 covering English, physics, chemistry, and for those doing IELTS and GMAT and other exams, you can also try this out. You just have to change that JAMB 2020 this to another thing and it will generate it, and you just list the topic that follows. So chemistry, biology, including daily topics, break days like break time you have break, and revision slots. So watch me do this. Click on the arrow again and wait for 3 seconds. Once you will load 3, it's not even up to 3 seconds. Within 1 second or 2 seconds to load, you can see plan overview, duration 4 weeks, 28 days. English, physics, chemistry, biology, study days, 1 rest day per week. So you have 1 day to rest in a week. 6 days, 4 to 6 hours divided into 2 sections. Every Saturday revision, every Sunday mock test. It even gives room for mock test. So guys, what are you waiting for? As you can see, so don't be saying reading is very stressful. Reading is no more stressful again. See, past question, see, with two English, chemical bonding, very easy. So within 1 month you can finish reading for JAMB. I will still make a video about that. But for now I'm making video on how to make reading very easy and effective. So if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more hacks. See you in the next video.